Okay, we're kind of at a funny spot in Macau that not many people go to. There's a hotel called Roosevelt that we just went by, and I think this one, they're basically brand new. I think this is the Roosevelt up here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Let's go check out the room.
chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And we're next to a busy highway. Over there is Zhuhai, China, and you can see the type of the background though, all those tall buildings. And we're gonna walk by. I think this is called the Roosevelt. So yeah, we have all these dealers, right? Like this is a businessman, I guess, or a card shark, something Macauish. Megstar Group, so assuming something else at the casino. The scooter looks like a police scooter in a way. Don't know if it is. But anyways, we're gonna walk by the Roosevelt, and then we're gonna do some kind of interesting park that I'm gonna go to in a minute as well. We're just gonna see what's all here. Yeah, Macau Roosevelt says coming soon. And I've been in here. It looks fairly empty. And what kind of surprises me more than anything is how these things stay in business. Like it's there's nothing really that interesting about this hotel, but it has all the names to it. Oh, there's poker time, red carpet. So I think it has just enough draw that people might book it online. It's probably for a lower price. The quality seems a little bit lower. I don't know, maybe I can try to get in there. Let's see if I can. Okay, so inside the Roosevelt dining court. Let's see, restaurant. Let's see. This is kind of the inside, so there's some shops, casino, wine, Penang white coffee. Okay, so we're just gonna walk on out, I guess. This is the front desk. This is also the front desk. So we're gonna head on out. And the taxi's waiting. Okay. So I think we're gonna conclude for this video. So this is the Roosevelt. You can kind of see inside. It looks like just this kind of a standard one. Hotel buses that go to the ferry terminals, I suppose. Roosevelt. This is one of these places that has all the standard amenities, but it's kind of lacking the soul, basically. But it's interesting. I don't know, who knows, maybe later I'll have to be, you know, Macau will keep developing and developing, so it's really hard to say what will happen in the future. So, alright. But it's kind of on this busy street. There's if you were to stay here, it'd be a little bit hard to get to the casinos. So, you know, if I was a person interested in casinos in Macau, I think I'd feel disappointed that I was at that particular one. And let's just see what else is here. Okay, looks like they put all the buses back here. And some condos are right here. Okay, good concluding spot right here. It's like
chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.